Recently, I had this weird bug with an alert in the SwiftUI view. After adding a second alert to the same view, the first one broke. In this video, I want to show you how to avoid this bug and have more than one alert in the SwiftUI view. Let's get started. Okay, so I have this simple project here in Xcode. It is just one button inside the view with an alert, and we have the view model. When the user will tap the button, the action here is connect. We have the text label here, and on the view model, if there's an error message, we will see an alert. Very simple. You can see the demo here. There's just like not much here. Inside the view model, we have the error message, which is string. After invoking this connect, we will set the error message, this string. In order for this to work, we need to have this error message conform to the identifier protocol. It's not ideal because we are changing the string for the whole project, so it's not ideal, but so far I did not saw any side effects, so I'm using this. So the ID will be the hash of the string, and because of that, we can just, inside the view, we can just add error message here. Otherwise, you need to have, like, for example, like the Boolean flag, so you can have like show error message, and when you will, for example, set the error message, you can have another Boolean and set it to true. So right now we have just one alert, but what if, for example, we will add like a second button? Let's add additional button. And for this one, let's have like another alert, which is not the same, but let's say an alert that you need to confirm. So either like cancel or confirm and do some kind of action. Inside the view model, let's add another function, confirm, and let's add the same message. So the user is confirming something and the message is being set. So when the user will hit the second button, we will ask him to confirm it. Now let's add a second alert with the confirm button. So the same, we are checking the view model for the confirm message, and inside the message we have the message, and let's create another alert. So this one with the message, primary button and secondary button. So let's create a message. So here we have the action, which we will ignore for now because this is just a sample. And let's add a secondary button. This one will be just a cancel without additional action. So we have the second alert. If the confirm message will be set, this one will be invoked. We will show the alert with the primary button, which is just yes. And after user will confirm, the action will be invoked. Otherwise, it will be cancelled. So let's run this and see how it will work. So we are tapping confirm, and yeah, we can cancel or say yes. So this one works. So now let's tap this one, the connect. And as you can see, only one alert is being shown. This one right now does not work. So my first idea was that something is wrong. When I started like debugging this, I thought like maybe my error message is not being set. Maybe I missed something. So you can check this inside the SwiftUI view. You can just print this view model message, the error message, by using this simple trick. Not this one, this let, and then print on the view model just error message. And let's open the console and let's build this. So after tapping it, you will see that we are printing this. So the connection failed. It is optional, but it is being set. So that's not the issue. So let's change the order of this, or let's, for example, let's disable this one and see if the first one still works. And as you can expect, this one works. The second one is disconnected. If we will change the order, this one does not work, this one works. So it looks like If you have like more than one alert on the same view, only the second one works. So the simple solution will be to move one of the alert to a different place. So for example, to the button. If you will do this, it will still not work because this alert is still being connected to this whole ZStack. So in this case, it will disable this first alert. I don't know why this is happening, but you can check that confirm is still not working. This one, the error message works. If you will move the second alert to the button, actually, this should go here, and this should go here. Although it does not matter, because if you will connect this one, the confirm message, to the first button, it will still work. The order does not matter in this case. And as you can see, the first one works and the second one works. In fact, actually, if you will connect this alert to different views inside your SwiftUI view, you may be like a little confused and you may miss something. So what I like to do is just add additional stack, for example, like the ZStack, just empty ZStack, and then you can connect this alert to this empty ZStack. And the same with this one. So create another ZStack and just connect this. And as you can see, it still works as expected. I try to connect this to the empty view because that's my another idea. Just create an empty view and try to connect it. But this actually does not work. But the ZStack, which is not being displayed, there's like nothing inside the ZStack. It just works, and you can keep it after your main view. That's all what I have for you today. This small SwiftUI tip. I had this bug in my app. I added an alert, tested it, and it was all working fine. Then after some time, I added another alert and tested it, but I did not test the first one, as I was expecting it to work. So I hope that you will not make the same mistake. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.